SCORP variety functions. Portrait mode. Enter usage scenario in the main interface. Click the portrait mode. It will automatically enter the portrait mode. Then click Exit Portrait Mode to exit. Selfie mode. Enter the usage scenario. Click Selfie mode. The gimbal will automatically enter the selfie mode. Click Exit Selfie Mode to exit. Enter the selfie mode by triple-clicking the trigger button. Auto rotation. Enter auto rotation in usage scenario. Select the direction, speed, and number of turns, and the gimbal will automatically rotate. Swipe the screen to right to exit. Panoramic shooting. To use any function that needs to control the camera shutter or parameters, please connect the camera control cable. After control cable connected, turn on the camera and enter usage scenario. Click Panorama to select the Panorama mode. Take the 3x3 Panorama mode as an example. Click Auto to shoot automatically. Then click Start Shooting. Wait a moment. The shooting is automatically completed. Motion time-lapse. Please enter usage scenario, then click Time-lapse. Take the motion lap as an example. Set the shooting time, frame rates, and interval shooting time in Motion Lapse menu. After setting required parameters, you can see the corresponding clip length and the number of photos you need. Then click Next. At this time, operate the four-way joystick to move the gimbal to the desired starting position for time-lapse. Click plus in the upper left corner to save the first waypoint of the time-lapse. Operate the joystick to control it to the second waypoint, then click plus. You can add multiple waypoints, but at least 2. At this point, click Start Shooting and the gimbal will return to the starting position, then start shooting. Now you just need to wait patiently for shooting complete. Thank you for watching.